Do you want to clear the UPSC Prelims 2023 for sure? Then watch the video till its end. Hello my dear friends, how's your studies going on for UPSC Prelims 2023? See, in the world of internet, there is no shortage of study material. But in the final round, what should we study and what should not? So, at this time, only that strategy can be your best friend, who can make you revise the whole syllabus, follow a realistic schedule, focus on the consolidation of syllabus, learn the art of solving questions, test yourself through mock tests, and be with you till the last moment and provide regular motivation. After understanding all the requirements, study regime and its team have brought a unique and one of its kind solution by the name of 80 days PCP. That means 80 days prelims comprehensive program for you, with the main motto of making the exam clear and releasing your burden. Now let us understand the solution. An 80 days comprehensive program to prepare this year's prelims like never before. In this program, you will get the following things. First, personal mentorship. Second, 200 plus hours of classes for GS syllabus coverage. Third, focused strategic topics for this year's prelims. Fourth, the art of solving questions of each strategic topic in the class itself. This is one of the most crucial point of your preparation, because we generally study each and every topic, but we lack the art of solving the questions of each topic and resulting into silly mistakes into the exam. So this year this won't happen. Next thing, fifth, strategic coverage of current affairs. Sixth, CSAT. 7, test series of all GS, current affairs and CSAT. 8th, make you revise the whole syllabus of again GS, current affairs and CSAT. 9th, last minute revision classes of all again GS, current affairs and CSAT. The revision classes that we have included in the course is first time ever in the market, because what happens is students do prepare for prelims excellently, practices number of tests, but at the last moment they fail to revise the whole syllabus because it becomes very hasty for them to revise the whole syllabus at last moment, and ultimately they are unable to retain and recall the things in the exam and eventually make silly mistakes resulting into repeated failures. And last but not the least, support of your mentor till 28th May. Log on to www.studyregime.com or download the app from Android Play Store today. This course will start from 27th Feb 2023 in online mode. Remember, first 100 students will get additional 33% discount. Grand opportunity for you and make your competition easy. One course, multi revisions, get selected. Thank you.